October 17th. Spraying continues. We got FedEx 3604 doing a dump. A very dirty dump, as you can see. By the nice brown, whatever shit in it. Looks like they're lightening up on the brown toxic death. Must be switching it. Of course, they're past the sun now, so why not? Oh no, never mind. Look, it's still pretty dirty. FedEx delivering chemicals today, not packages, apparently. October 17th, 2017. Toxic chemical spraying continues. And we got Lufthansa 456 doing a big old dump. And had that house not been in the way in front of this camera, I could have caught them. They completely turned a big dump like this off. And then readjusted to this big old DNA strand they're laying out. Now Air France 66 was with this sumbitch, but all of a sudden he came up missing on flight radar over Montana. So I don't know what that's all about. They're trying to be sneaky or what? Lufthansa dumping. It's dirty shit. See if we got a tail mix today. Be cruising by the sun here in a moment. And bring out the dirty chemicals. Very dirty chemicals, as you can see by the multicolors. He is right by the old sun there. Oh yeah, that's nasty. So does that look healthy? No. That is a big, big, big dump there. Notice the DNA working its magic. Come back to that. 'Cause Let's get some more spray action here. Lufthansa 456. Dirty chemical dump. Very dirty. Let's go back to... Let's watch the DNA work. It's black magic. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's real nice. Yeah, because that's just totally just normal, fine and dandy there. Yeah. DNA spray in effect. Lufthansa 456. Dumping some nasty, nasty stuff there. Oh, hold still, tripod. It's magic. Oh yeah, he's still dumping. He's probably over Riverton about now. And shit you can see building. That's what they've been spraying all morning. And fancy looking contrail things, people call it contrails. Alright, October 17th, Lufthansa, chemical dump. That plane needs to be grounded, stripped completely by citizens, by warriors. Not these little bitches who hide behind flags, behind their Fox News and etc. Alright. Can you tell I got an attitude today? I won't even tell you that story. Alright. Okay, that was Lufthansa. That's where they switch their shit, as you can see. When they hit their magical build up there. DNA spray was there. But look how they switch that shit. You watch, they're gonna zap that sumbitch in line right there. And milk this whole place up. See, that's completely different shit than what they just sprayed over us. Same plane. Artificial intelligence running this bullshit. And a bunch of evil sons of bitches and puppets. And criminals with badges and elected officials. All need to be held accountable. Every one of them. Starting local. Getting close to sun, so if they're gonna break out some special sauce now, it'd probably be a Time they'll do her, so we better watch that tail sector. Yes, they are engaging tails fair, just like I said. Isn't that magical by the sun? Yeah, heat it up some more, boys. They're not blocking heat, they are making it hotter. You're in fantasy land if you think anything else. Who was that orb? Right into the sun. Oh, and he's hammering it. Was that another orb? Them several orbs? Was it Orb Day? Kim Webb? Jeez. It is toxic up there and coming our way. Yeah, that's a lot of orbs around the sun. What's going on with that? Military or demon? One or the other, eh? Looks like they backed off the tail sprayer. Now they're past the old sun, the local sun. Yeah, that is a dump there. Damn, I'm pretty sure they're more orbs. I don't think I see it shit. I could have been, but we'll verify that in video. Looking like more Kim Wave action. Alright, now he's heading into where they've been spraying. This is what they've been building since Lufthansa came through here. Look at that mess. If I post full day video, you'll understand what I'm saying. Yeah, those are all... They've been spraying shit out of that last hour. And I still can't find Air France 66 who magically disappeared, but I'm sure he's up there somewhere. Probably in Utah, over Utah or somewhere. Alright, October 17th. Tail spray. Some orbs, Kim Webbs, dirty toxic chemicals being dumped, Thomas Cook spray lines, making a shadow. It'll come in. I don't think I'm going to pick it up, maybe. Yeah, that was dirty there. October 17th, 2017. Chemical warfare, weather modification, geoengineering, whatever you want to call it, continues. We got Lufthansa 452 starting to dump some DNA spray. .456 came through a couple hours ago. Sprayed some nasty, nasty stuff. Yep, that's old Lufthansa. Yeah, he's starting to pick her up there. It's gonna be some nasty DNA spray. He'll be should be hitting the sun or close to it. You can tell that one nozzle is turned. That's not a crooked engine. Let's see what they dumped today. I'm sure it'll be dirty. Oh yeah. This one also has a tail sprayer. Yeah, you notice how that magical yeah, that's just everything's fine. That's DNA spray, but different concoction than what his brother 456 used. Am I seeing tail spray or is I seeing shit? I've been seeing shit. Yeah, he's dumping. That's pretty dirty. You can clearly see there's some different concoctions coming out of each one. It's pretty warped. Yeah, they've been hammering that southern sector he's going through right now. You can see that got a little browner there for a moment. Changing their shit up. Yeah, that's not cool. Do you see that EPA Wyoming DEQ, all you state DEQs? Do you see that? He's now deep into the mass chemical shit cloud. Add more shit to her. And he continues to dump. He is probably over Riverton, Lander sector, close to now. Continues to dump. Lufthansa 452. Looks like they're kicking on the frequencies. Made some next red out of Riverton. I got a chem web hanging off my camera. That's what they've been building there. You can see his magic spray at work here. So they're zapping that baby right now. Geoengineering continues. Look at that mass shit pile. That was all sprayed out of airplanes. Isn't that magical? You can see what happened to what he came through there. Looks a little different, eh? Nasty. Must be getting close to 3 in the afternoon, October 17th. Some serious toxic death cloud. Multiple colored, as you can clearly see. That is nasty. Heavy spray day today. Frequency's been rocking for the last couple hours. Rocking the kids. That is just horrible. Yeah, you're all breathing that in. One big mass of death there. Yeah, that's healthy for you. Go grab you some McDonald's and shit too while you're at it. Maybe a big old 97 ouncer of corn syrup pop, whatever you call it. Look down at your Wi-Fi device. Yeah. No reason to go outside or look up or think about your past. Or maybe you never went outside. It's very sad if you didn't. How about all them nasty colors? Getting close to sunset and you can see mass chemicals to the west. Because they sprayed the living hell out of us today. So you got some frequencies going there. Isn't that nasty? Look at that shit. October 17th, 2017. Yeah, breathe that in.